థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వర్ష. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఆ బ్యాటరీని అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి పాస్ ఆన్ చేయవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో కావ్య, ఈ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా అనిపించింది మీకు ఈ సినిమా గురించి?
This movie is very, very special to me. Firstly, because it's been a very, very long and epic journey. And it is very special to my heart because this is one kind of a film, and the role that I'm doing is of Agraharam Geeta, and she is very different to what I've played and what you all have seen Kavya Thapar doing on screen. So I'm very excited for everybody and all my fans and whoever's been supporting me in my journey to see me in this form. She's a super fun character, and I'm very excited for you all to witness me as Agraharam Geeta. Apart from that, my journey has been incredible. I've had the best support from Raj sir and Anil sir. So thank you so much, and thank you for seeing me fit for this. I've always been treated like a family member. So thank you so much. And I want to thank Anand sir because he's done everything an actor could possibly want from a director. He's given me my space to explore, and his vision is something that made me want to do Uru Peru Bhairava Kona. So thank you for being so awesome, sir, throughout the journey, and for also a big thank you and a big shout out to my team for keeping up with me during my hard time right after my accident, and that caused a lot of delay, but I am very, very blessed and grateful that I had this team to support me and always have my back. So definitely this is a very, very special film, and I want to thank Varsha for being so awesome on set. We don't have that many scenes together, but I'm a fan of your personality. You're awesome, and I love you. And lastly, I want to thank Mr. Sandeep. He is an incredible human, very hardworking, very, very awesome as a person, and I think this movie would have never been the same if not for your energy and everything that you put into this film to bring this where it is today. So this one's for you. Thank you. And maybe continue keep fighting all the time. Just kidding. Thank you
కావ్య, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మరి వాళ్ళు మనం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి చేరుకున్నాం అంటే దాని రీజన్ ఈ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ ప్రీమియర్స్ని సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి. మరి 1+ crore ప్రీమియర్స్లోనే వచ్చేసిందంటే అందరికంటే హ్యాపీ ఎవరవుతారు? ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్. మరి రాజేష్ దండా గారు, ఇప్పుడు మీరు మాట్లాడాలి. ఇంకా రేపటి నుంచి